welcome back to the channel. Got my boy Shiny with us again here in Bushy Park Landing. About to take the boat down to the harbor, see how windy it is. Doesn't look too bad right now, but we'll see once we get out there. And we're going to be testing out the boat-to-trailer.com ramping clamp. See how that works out for the first time, and stay tuned. I wanted to show you guys a real quick shot of this, just so you can see how strong the latching system on this ramping clamp is. When it flexes going over the top of the ramp there, it had no problems holding the boat on the trailer and staying in place. Alright, so we're giving the ramping clamp its first shot. Calm water. We just pulled up north of Drum Island here. You can see the Ravenel Bridge just over the tree line there. Got a couple of people out here hanging out on the water. Got some music going. This is the life right here. This is the life. sunny. There is a bit of a breeze though, and this water is moving today. Right now we're in a following sea. You can see we're chasing the waves. But we're still having fun. Woo! We're not even in the harbor. Heading back now, and it's definitely some, say, I don't know, 2 or 3, maybe, maybe a little more. Oh yeah! Woo! So we stopped for a second. We're about, I don't know, maybe a mile from north of the Downhole Bridge, just because we saw a bunch of dolphins go by. So it's always something to keep in mind this time of year, especially. They're out and they're everywhere around here, and you don't want to hit them. I mean, some fishermen hate dolphins because they eat fish, go figure, but I don't want to kill one, so just keep your eyes peeled, and they're fun to watch. So
shit, but I know it ain't.
yeah, we are definitely shallow, boys. It's not even reading on the depth finder right now.
My shorts again, but
we're bouncing, so we're not on ground, but it's definitely fucking shallow through here. Hopefully we make it. Oh, now we're at 9 feet. Alright. So we dropped off. I think we're good in here on in. This is Bushy Park Landing. I think the middle was the best, but on our way out, it was definitely like about 2 feet. So we decided to come in a little on the right, and it's still shallow. It's 10 feet right now, but not good. Must have got some mud in it. I'll have to stop for a second. Well, it looks like we're okay. The engine definitely got close to overheating for a second, and we were sucking up some mud through the inlets. And this boat launch definitely gets shallow. So if you're ever coming out of Bushy Park in low tide, you tell me in the comments, which side do you go out? Because I don't know if you can see that, but both sides are mud, and right down the middle, you're lucky if you're hitting 2-3 feet sometimes. So, but we made it. We're back at the ramp, and we're gonna load it up and see how this ramp and clamp does on the load up. So stay tuned. Good. Lined up. Well, the ramp and clamp was a success. It definitely works, and this is a really steep boat ramp. I don't know if you could tell in the video, but it's very steep and it's low tide, so it wasn't the smoothest connection, but we got it on there nonetheless. So all right, we're gonna wrap this thing up and head back. So if you like this kind of content, stick around for more. This was just a quick ride today. Glad we got out. It was a little rough in the harbor, but we had a good time either way. So if you like this content, hit the subscribe button below, and say bye to my boy Shiny.
Easy peasy.
All right, guys, see you in the next one.